Hi, and welcome to the BeardedTinker channel. You must be asking yourself why stick around or even subscribe to yet another YouTube channel. Well, let's dive into what I'll be doing here. Home automation. A lot of home automation. Mostly on Synology setup, but as I also have a Raspberry Pi, I'll be doing a bit of comparison between two of them. 3D printing, something new to me, very new. And I will be going through some of my fails, lessons learned, printer tweaking, component exchange, and so on. Have something you want me to print? Send me an STL file and I'll print it, time-lapse it for the whole world to see. Some restrictions do apply. Did I say home automation? I have a bunch of challenges for me. ESP8266 32 boards waiting to be connected and programmed to do fun stuff. Plus reviews, unboxings, and much more. So join me in this fun ride and see how non-technical guy tinkers with tech stuff. Oh yeah, and I do have a beard. Subscribe now and don't miss a thing.